Top 5 Best Humidifier for Bedroom 2026. Discover the best products for your lifestyle. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 5. Levoit 2.5L Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier. YouTube voiceover script. Levoit Top Fill Humidifier. Ever wake up with dry skin, scratchy throat, or a wilting houseplant, despite running your humidifier all night? Most tanks are a hassle to refill and clean. Enter the Levoit Top Fill Humidifier. Its wide-mouthed 2.5L tank lets you pour water straight in, no awkward angles or spills. At just 28 dB, it's whisper quiet, perfect for nurseries, bedrooms, or plant corners. The cool mist runs up to 25 hours, and auto shut-off kicks in when water's low, peace of mind included. Unlike clunky side-fill models, cleaning is effortless, just lift the top and wipe. Whether you're soothing baby's congestion, easing winter dryness, or keeping your fiddle-leaf fig happy, this humidifier delivers consistent comfort without the fuss. It's smartly designed, reliable, and refreshingly simple. One minor note, the mist output isn't adjustable, but for most homes, it's just right. A quiet hero for healthier air and happier mornings. Number 4. DREO 6L Quiet Cool Mist Humidifier for Large Rooms. What if your bedroom could feel like a forest at dawn, crisp, calm, and perfectly hydrated? Meet the DREO 6L Humidifier. Unlike bulky, hard-to-clean models, this sleek cool mist unit slides open for effortless refilling and scrubbing. 60 hours of runtime means set it and forget it comfort for large rooms, nurseries, or plant sanctuaries. At just 28 dB, quieter than a whisper, it won't disrupt sleep or focus. The built-in night light adds a soft glow, while precise humidity control keeps air balanced, not soggy. Ideal for parents, plant lovers, or anyone battling dry indoor air, it turns stale spaces into soothing sanctuaries. Real relief for scratchy throats, parched skin, and thirsty greenery. While it lacks warm mist, its whisper-quiet operation, massive tank, and intuitive design make it a standout. If you crave consistent, clean moisture without the hassle, DREO delivers, night and day. Number 3. Levoit 8L Smart Humidifier for Large Rooms. Hook. Ever wake up feeling like you've breathed through a desert? Dry air doesn't just crack your lips, it disrupts sleep, stresses plants, and leaves your baby fussy. Enter this 2.1-gallon smart humidifier, built for large rooms, bedrooms, or yoga spaces. Its top-fill design means no spills, just lift, pour, and go. The whisper-quiet cool mist runs up to 30 hours, with 3 speeds and a 360 degrees nozzle for even coverage. Set your ideal humidity level, schedule it with the timer, or let the built-in diffuser add calming scents. Plus, the soft night light creates a soothing glow, perfect for nurseries or meditation corners. Compared to smaller models, this one covers more space without constant refills. Ideal for parents, plant lovers, or anyone craving better air. It's not just functional, it's a nightly comfort upgrade. Minor note, the light can't be dimmed, but that's a small trade for such reliable, restful moisture. Breathe easier, literally. Number 2. Everlasting Comfort 6L Cool Mist Humidifier for Large Rooms. Hook. Ever wake up with cracked lips, a stuffy nose, or skin that feels like sandpaper, even in your own bedroom? Meet the Everlasting Comfort 6L Humidifier, your silent nighttime ally. With a massive 6-liter tank, it runs up to 50 hours on low, no refills, no filters, no hassle. Perfect for large rooms, nurseries, or whole house relief. Unlike smaller models that quit by midnight, this supersized cool mist humidifier keeps dry air at bay all night long. It's whisper quiet, so babies and light sleepers stay undisturbed. Whether you're battling allergies, congestion, or winter dryness, consistent humidity soothes airways, hydrates skin, and even helps your plants thrive. Ideal for parents, allergy sufferers, plant lovers, or anyone craving better sleep. Yes, it's bulkier than compact units, but that's the trade-off for serious, lasting comfort. If you want powerful, no-fuss humidity that works while you dream, this is it. Breathe easier. Sleep deeper. Live better. Number 1. DREO 3L Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier, Quiet 26 dB, 30H Runtime, Humidity Sensor, Night Light. Hook. Ever wake up with dry, scratchy skin, or worse, watch your houseplants wilt, because your room feels like a desert? Meet the DREO 3L Top Fill Humidifier, your quiet, smart solution for balanced indoor comfort. Unlike bulky, noisy models, this sleek ultrasonic humidifier runs whisper quiet at just 26 dB, so it won't disturb sleep, perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or plant-filled corners. The top-fill design means no more flipping heavy tanks, just lift the lid and pour. With a 30-hour runtime and built-in humidity sensor, it auto-adjusts to keep air perfectly moist, no guesswork. Plus, a soft night light adds calming ambience. Whether you're soothing a baby's dry cough, reviving tropical plants, or finally getting that spa-like bedroom vibe, DREO delivers consistent, cool mist without the hassle. It's not just a humidifier, it's daily comfort done right. Minor note: refill every couple days in very dry climates. But for effortless, healthy humidity? This one's a game changer. Thanks for watching Best Humidifier for Bedroom. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.